In today's tutorial, we're learning how to make this animated ice cream design with the skewed text in the background in Canva in just a few simple steps. Now, for those of you who want to try this themselves, I have generated the ice cream image using Midjourney, and for that I've used the prompt a hand holding a soft ice cream in a waffle cone with some toppings and no background. So you can use it in whichever image generator that you like and follow along in the tutorial. In this tutorial I've split up into multiple parts. First we will create the skewed text effect, and then we'll go towards the design. And we're starting from a blank canvas. Now first we want to change the nice background color. So I'm going to background, select the color wheel, dragging it to the yellow side, and then choosing a light tone of yellow. Deselect, and now we're going to add some text. So go to text, and I'm choosing title. Here I want to go for a nice word, let's say summer because it's the ice cream theme, and add it to the full screen size. For the font I'm going to select it, go to fonts, and choosing a nice font. In this case let's go for something condensed and bold called Anton. So increase it just a bit more in size. There we go. For the color I'm going to change the text color to something pink. So let's choose a nice contrasting pink here. Play around with the settings, maybe more towards the purple side. There we go. A nice pink color that contrasts with the yellow background. Now we're going to add another text box and add some more text below. So let's say promotion. Drag it below. And let's give it the same color as well as the same font. Of course, you can always use your own brand colors. That is perfectly possible. I'm going to align it with the bottom part of the word, and so it takes about 1/3 or a little bit over 1/3 of the word. I'm going to hold the Option key and drag, or on a Windows computer you can always Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V. And here let's type in ice cream. And maybe for some variation, let's give this a different font. Let's go for a font called Gagalin. It's a bit more playful. Make it a bit smaller. Go to Effects, and then choose a nice background. We're going to use the pink color as the background, and then of course we need to change the text color to yellow. Now it's a bit large, so I'm going back to the Effects tab, and then playing around with the spread, so we can make it a bit smaller, that it nicely matches tightly around the word. And once you're happy you can change the size, and then put it on top of the word. So this is the end result that we would like to have for the text. And now we're going to do a little trick. So on this slide, I've added all the words that I want to see on the slide. Now to skew this or to get that diagonal effect, we're going to export this first. So share, download. We're going to choose a PNG, and then make sure to select transparent background. So this way, everything in the background, the yellow, will be removed. And then we click on download. And then once you have it, you can click on add new page. And now let's start working on the actual design. So for that, I'm going to drag in an image of an ice cream. This is one I've generated in Midjourney. So you can generate them yourself, or you can add any image that you like. I'm going to click background remover to get rid of the background, but I want to keep the hand and the ice cream. So normally it will do quite a good job in this. Like you see here, it's pretty good. Next, we're going to add the words to the slide. So from your desktop, you drag in that export without the background, and that's why we see we don't have the background. If you have a background, you can always remove it from the text, but this is a bit more convenient. Let's increase it in size by just a bit. And now we're going to the Apps tab, and here we type in Skew. Now we want to select the Reshape app, and this will give us some options to deform or to transform the image that we have. In our case, we want to choose the Skew one, so the middle one. And now you can see that there's these white dots appearing in the corners and in the middle. So we're now going to grab one of the corners from the right and drag it upwards. Just make sure that they don't go outside of the boundary, otherwise it will disappear. Do the same on the left here, and just drag it downwards. You'll see if I drag it too far or take the top one, it will go off the screen and we don't want that. So I'm going to drag it up again. And if you perhaps mess up the selection like this, you can always just cancel it and then just skew it again and start over. It's easier to start over with a clean slide. So skew this one up, and this one we're going to drag it slightly downwards so that we have a nice diagonal shift. Once you're happy, you click on Save. And now we have this cool diagonal text effect on the slide. I'm going to make it a bit larger. And this way, we can see that it nicely fits the promotion on the right side of the ice cream, and the ice cream here on top, it also fits behind or next to the ice cream and doesn't block it. We go to position and then send to back. This way it's behind the object that we have. Now if you want to add some extra elements, you can always select the main object, go to edit, and for example add a drop shadow. So go to shadows and choose for a drop shadow. You can see that it slightly reduces in size, so you can always increase the blur amount and then for example reduce the intensity. Then we're going to make it slightly larger until it fits the slide again, and then just play around with the position. Now maybe let's add some extra elements to the slide. So go to elements, let's type in abstract, go for graphics, see all, and then I think one of those wiggly lines, they will fit quite nicely with the design. Change the color to that pink, and then drag it to the other side, rotate it 180 degrees, and put it in the corner here as well. Now for the animation part, we're going to duplicate the slide, so right click, duplicate page. These ones we're going to drag them outside of the screen. Let's also make them a bit smaller. Just make sure you don't release it off the slide. I'm going to do the same for the other one. Let's make the ice cream just a bit smaller. Select the text and make that one small as well, so it fits behind the ice cream. Let's drag this one to the front, hover in between the slides, and now we choose the match and move. Let's increase the duration to 1.5 seconds, and let's preview. And this is how you can make this really cool animated design in Canva with the skewed text effect, and it really takes your design to a next level. Thanks a lot for watching, and if you want to learn more about design or Canva, make sure to drop a follow and watch the video on the screen right now.